How to fix live access is needed to go live as a guest on TikTok. So if you want to fix live access is needed to go live as a guest on TikTok, then you just need to follow the steps. So before proceeding, there are 3 steps that you should keep in mind before proceeding. So there may be other reason why you can't go live on TikTok as a guest. So the first one is users below 16 years of old are not allowed to go live on this app. And the second one is there are some regions where the live function is not available. And the third is you actually need 1,000 or more followers before you access live on TikTok, whether as a guest or on your own profile. So you may consider checking those first before continuing. Now, with the next step, let's proceed. You just need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon. Tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you just need to simply go with the report a problem option. Under report a problem, choose the live option and then tap on hosting live, and then go with live is suspended. Go with no. Tap on need more help, and here you need to write I need help on starting a live video as a guest on my TikTok. So once you've written that, or you may get a report a problem page, you just need to simply go and report a problem of your live, and then tap on submit or send. And once you've sent, your problem will be fixed, or just TikTok will take some time to process the question, and then it will give you some answers according to that. So that's how you can fix your live access is needed as to go live on a TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.